What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, First Lady Jill Biden's birthday is today, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make her chicken Parmesan recipe, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need about 2 pounds of vegan chicken, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 28-ounce cans of whole peeled tomatoes, half of a yellow onion, chopped, 2 cups of vegan shredded mozzarella cheese, 1.5 cups of Italian style breadcrumbs, 3/4 cups of vegan shredded Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup of basil, a 1/4 cup of just egg, 3 tablespoons of vegan milk, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and some salt and pepper to taste. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right. And here we have our vegan Jill Biden chicken Parmesan. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.